Shwmae bawb. This is the first question from our Cwestiynau Campus set for the summer term. And the first question asks, ble rwyt ti'n mynd ar y penwythnos? Which means, where are you going on the weekend? Now, we have to use the future tense here. But for 1 point, you can just answer by saying to the park, or yn Cymraeg, i'r parc. Or you can say to the cinema. Again, i'r cinema yn Cymraeg. Now, for 2 points, you must use the correct pattern at the beginning of the sentence, which is dwi'n mynd I. For example, dwi'n mynd i'r parc, or dwi'n mynd i'r cinema. For 3 points, you have to extend it a little bit further. So you can say dwi'n mynd i'r parc gyda mam o'r enw Julia. And for 4 points, you have to include the sentence that we've just covered for 3 points, but also ask the question back to your partner. So you can say, dwi'n mynd i'r cinema gyda mam o'r enw Julia a beth amdana ti? Or you could say, a ti. Good luck.